Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. So the mister surprised me with a date night and he was taking me out to dinner, so that meant that I need to make dinner in a hurry for the kids. So I decided to try spaghetti in my Instant Pot because I hear that it's supposed to be super duper easy. So I started off by preheating my Instant Pot and I added some oil and then some ground beef, and then I seasoned it up with some Italian seasoning, granulated onion and garlic, and then I added in some sliced hot links and a pound of fettuccine because that's what I had on hand. So you break the pasta in half and then you toss it in the pot. Oh, you can totally do vegetables like onions and bell peppers and all that, but I didn't have time. So I put in 2 jars of pasta sauce and 1 jar of water, and I didn't stir it, I just made sure that the pasta was covered. The package says to cook for 11 minutes, so when you're cooking pasta in a pressure cooker, you're supposed to do half the time. So I did 5 minutes and then quick release. And once the pressure was released, I gave it a stir and I had spaghetti. I was like super surprised. I've never done this before and it came out perfectly. So then I topped it with some cheese and I put the lid back on till it melted, and this was the finished dish. Oh my god, it looked so good. I was kind of jealous that I wasn't going to get to eat it. But the kids said it was absolutely delicious, and I can't believe how fast this was. Like spaghetti in 5 minutes. That's awesome. So anyways, if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and give this a try if you haven't done it already. I mean, you can't beat 5 minutes for spaghetti in the pressure cooker. So anyways, as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!